Hello friends, myself Dr. Naresh Bhati, Director of Welcare Overseas Education, Bengaluru. Dear medical professionals, so on the request of many nurses, today I am going to make a video how you can work as a registered nurse in United Kingdom, UK. So today in this video we will discuss two topics: who can apply for this, what are the eligibility criteria, what experience you require, and what salary you can get in UK. So these four topics we are going to discuss today in this topic. So who can apply for this? What is the eligibility criteria? So those nurses who are GNM, general nursing, diploma nurse, BSc nurse, post BSc nurse, MSc nurse, these all, if you have such kind of qualification, the first criteria you fulfill, you are eligible to apply. The second important thing is, if I talk about experience, you must have at least 6 months of clinical experience. So that is mandatory, at least 6 months of recent clinical experience they ask, hospitals ask. And most important thing is, many of nurses ask me whether if we have a gap 2 years 3 years gap, then whether they can apply for this or not. So if you have gap more than 18 months, then it is a kind of, employer won't show any interest on you to take your profile, because always employer see you must have a recent clinical experience at least 6 months, even though if you have a gap more than an year previously or 1.5 year, not an issue. But if you have gap more than 2 years 3 years, it is difficult, your chances getting reduced to get a employer in United Kingdom. And the fourth important eligibility is English language testing system, so that you have to follow. So two kind of things are there to check your English communication. One is called IELTS and second is called OET. So if you are writing IELTS, then you must get 7 band in reading, speaking and listening. But there is a waiver of writing. If you get 6.5 band also out of 9 is no problem. And the other way, if we talk about OET exam, we will discuss in detail in upcoming videos about the OET. But OET also you need B grade in reading, speaking and listening, and the other way a lower score you can get if you in writing, or C plus grade also fine in writing. These are the requirement who can apply for. So if you have diploma, BSc, post BSc, MSc, plus minimum 6 months of clinical experience, and if you have IELTS as I explained, or if you have OET, you are eligible to go for a next process to work as a registered nurse in UK. So this is the requirement. What next steps will be there, we will discuss in further video. Now the second important question is, every nurse have in their mind, because financially it is very important, because if you are nurse, a married nurse, you have to see your family, if you have kids, you have to see your kids. So always all about to go abroad is taking them to become a financially strong. So I am going to talk about the salary, what salary you can get, if which kind of nurse are you in there, and what salary you can get. If successful at the interview, you will be offered a long term contract. If you are selected, definitely as a pre-registration nurse, which is called band 4 nurse, and progressing to a permanent contract as a qualified registered nurse called as a band 5. Once registered with NMC, Okay, so NMC is the council, nursing council, where you can become a registered nurse in UK. So if you are a pre-registration nurse, if you are a band 4 nurse, then you may get salary in Indian rupees 19 lakh to 22 lakhs per annum per year. And once you become a qualified or registered nurse in Germany, band 5 nurse, then you may get 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum in UK. So these are the very important factor. One is the eligibility and second is the salary part and or your salary part. So those nurses are looking for their career in United Kingdom. These are the requirement you must follow, and if you need any further guidance you can write us inbox, you can comment us, and if you like the video please do subscribe the channel, comment, share, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So upcoming new videos we're going to discuss in further videos, so you can get those notification as well. So this is for the today video, and thank you so much. Keep watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.